Hi there everyone, welcome back to another interesting episode of POA. Today we will talk about another country of East Africa after we have covered Kenya and Tanzania. Today we'll talk about a country which is small in area but still rich in history. So, welcome to the fourth episode of POA, and today we talk about Uganda. Uganda may be a small landlocked country, but it is rich in cultural heritage, wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes. Land of Uganda is bordered by South Sudan in north, Kenya in east, Tanzania and Rwanda in south, and Democratic Republic of Congo in west. The capital city of Uganda is Kampala, which is built around 7 beautiful hills, and it is not far from Lake Victoria. Uganda obtained its formal independence from British Empire on October 9, 1962. English is the formal language of Uganda. However, people of Uganda also speak Swahili, which connects them with other East African nations like Kenya and Tanzania. Uganda is a fairy tale and also known as the Pearl of Africa because of its remarkable beauty, and this title was conferred to Uganda by Sir Winston Churchill during the British Empire. Talking about the landscapes and geography of Uganda, Uganda is basically situated on a plateau, and its height ranges from around 5,000 feet in south to approximately 3,000 feet in the north. Uganda's highest point is Margarita Peak, which is of height 16,762 feet. It is often covered by clouds, and its peaks are capped with snow and glaciers. Margarita Peak is also known as Ptolemy's Mountain of the Moon. Uganda's Lake Victoria is the second largest inland freshwater lake by size. It is also a source to the river Nile. 5 other major lakes also exist in this country, namely Edward, George, Albert, Kyoga, and Lucina. Together with 5 lakes, there are also 8 major rivers in Uganda. Some of them are Victoria Nile, Albert Nile, Ajwa, Opok, Pager, etc. Except for Victoria and Albert Nile, most of the rivers are sluggish and often swampy. Talking about the soil profile of Uganda, majorly Uganda's soil is perfectly fertile. However, the soil found near Lake Victoria is found to be the most fertile soil in the world. Uganda has an equable climate throughout the year. Its climate is majorly controlled or governed by its elevation and the lakes present. So, it's interesting to know that the equator passes through Uganda, which is why there is 12 hours of daylight. Vegetation is heaviest in southern part of Uganda, while the wooded savanna dominates the northern and central part of Uganda. Lions and leopards are majorly seen in national parks and animal reserves, but it is a rare sight to see them outside of the animal parks and national reserves. Hippopotamus and crocodiles inhabit the most part of the lakes and rivers of Uganda. However, the latter is not found in Lake Edward and Lake George. Mountain gorillas, chimpanzees, and small forest elephants appear only in extreme west of Uganda. Buffalo and Uganda hog are only limited to west and north, while black rhino and giraffe are also found in the north. Much of southern Uganda has already been deforested. However, the country's major area has been divided into 10 different national parks. Murchison Falls National Park is the largest national park of Uganda, followed by Queen Elizabeth National Park, which is half of the size of Murchison National Park. Then comes the Bivindi Impenetrable Forest National Park, which is also designated as UNESCO Heritage in 1994. Ruwenzori Mountain National Park contains the country's highest peak, that is Margarita Peak, and it is also a UNESCO Heritage designated in the year 1994. Moving to the people of Uganda. Uganda is a diverse land which has a huge variety of ethnic groups, and it is majorly divided in Nilotic North and Bantu South, where Bantu constitutes the major part of Uganda. Uganda remains the single largest ethnic group of Uganda, which constitutes the 1/6 of the national population of the country. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is part 1 of Uganda. We'll be bringing part 2 in our next episode. Till then, take care, have a great time, and keep following and loving POA. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care, POA and Kwaheri.